Awilo. My nigga professor.
How are you now? Wow, the only professor in it. I be professor. French professor, what that matter? Money. Money, you go. Money for pocket. I get that. Hello, beautiful. Fine girl. Babe, let me use French. Baby, 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 baby. Sweetie, you're fine girl, man. Wow, this is our God in Croatia. Oh, you sweet. Oh, it's like you're a new person in this town because everybody know me. It's me they call Dorothy Awilo, the professor, the French professor. Money is nothing. Ego, it's nothing for me. Kuri is like paper. Like Français dit, l'argent c'est comme poudre. See, if we are finished with you, you're gonna say money. You don't see me now, professor. See, I'm going meeting with Tinubu so that we can know how we go run this country. You understand now? You're sweet, baby. Come, let me see. Yeah! See, what we need is money. Ah, you don't see money? Thank God. You don't see money like this. I go wait. No, I don't go use naira. I use dollar. You know what you put this bag? This is money. Yes, money put this bag. You know, just let's go house and spend night tomorrow morning. Lamborghini. Now you go drive. Let me tell you, this is professor. Yes, I tell you.
You no gree sell for me, Gary. She talks so like basic plenty.
I don't know her. I know you.
You be my daddy. You be my daddy. I know you. Daddy.
Bombastic side eye.
I don't know her. I don't know her.
It's my daddy.
So you don't have money. You're even broke.
I got money. I have money.
Dorothy Awilo.